Hey everybody, welcome back to the Fox Shop. Doing this on my phone today. Not working on the truck. It actually doesn't feel too bad out here. It's been horribly hot. Yesterday we had a heat index of 121. It was really hot, but clouds are starting to move in, so it's not too bad. Haven't done anything on this. Had a guy come this morning. I had an old Johnson Seahorse engine crate up above. I don't know if you can see, but step in here up above the shop in there, and he collects all kinds of boating stuff and contacted me yesterday, and he came out and bought it. I had it advertised like 2 years ago. Almost forgot about it, and he came out and got that today. Super nice guy, member of a Ford group, and had a really nice, I think it was a 2020 F150 aftermarket exhaust. Sounded really good. But anyway, I'm coming over here. I think I've got allergies or something. I'm having a hard time, but left shoulder's getting a little bit better. Wasn't torn, but doctor said it was really pissed off. It was not happy. I hope there's no wild critters in here. Anyway, I couldn't really remember what I had over here, so I wanted to see if I had any wheels and tires, which I don't think I do. Some of the stuff you guys might remember. I forgot all about that grill. There's the hanging heater. Oh yeah, the old table I used to have in the shop. I got a few hoods here. Hoods, a couple tailgates. Original green hood off of my truck, and that's mauve bud. All this rust is because it was starting to rust back behind here. Nope, no wheels and tires. There's the original bumper. I thought I had that black balance part or whatever you call it off of there. That'll probably be going on the project truck over there. God, I haven't been over here in a while. Oh, the old valve covers off of my green truck that I turned into hanging lights. I forgot all about those. I wondered if I still had this. I've seen a lot of people looking for these trims, and white is kind of hard to come by. I couldn't remember if I had that or not. Forgot all about those fans that I had. Oh, the YouTube sign. Some fuel cans. I thought maybe I had some wheels and tires over here. I guess not. Anyway, I'm just making a little video here in the old air compressor out of the old shop. The one I'm in now, but. And of course this table. I originally made this table to put the bed of my green truck on, and then I turned it into a workbench. Anyway, no wheels and tires. I guess figured out where a couple of rakes went. Alright, get out of here. It's hot in here. Come on, dum-dums. Come on, bud. Well, at least we didn't find a skunk or anything in there. Let me shut this door up. So no, haven't done much, or really. Well, I have done a little bit on the brown truck. I'm just gonna call it the brown truck from now on, not the project truck. I need to shut that door back up because I don't know what the weather's gonna do. Haven't really looked. I don't know if we're supposed to get any storms tonight or not. I know about I think it was about, I don't know, 4 or 5 o'clock this morning up north of here. There's a good lightning storm, and actually it was really cool. Couldn't hear any thunder, but you could see the lightning. And it was really neat, just kind of in one spot. I kind of got the interior back together. It's just been so hot. Had a heck of a time for whatever reason getting this all back together, but I did. And I don't know where the screws went for that. I think I've got some though. There's something underneath. Look, there's something underneath there. Yep. Screwdriver. Get that out of there. But not a lot left to do. I don't even know if I want to put it all back together because I'll probably be taking it back apart again anyway. Haven't even tried to start it the last few days. I don't know if it'll start or not. I doubt it. I think the ignition, this switch needs to be replaced. I can't get it to... Darn thing. I can't get it to go where I want it to go. Try taking the key out. No. Oh, shoot. I think it's about worn out. Well, heck. If I keep messing with it, it'll... Huh. Haven't had this problem before. There we go. It might start. Yeah. She thinks about it. That's about it. She's not going to go. But anyway, yeah, just need a few more little things in here. And it'll be pretty much done for now anyway. I just don't know if I want to put all the pieces, I don't even know where they are, pieces that go along here back in right now. Haven't decided what I want to do immediately. Darn thing, darn bedsides aren't cheap, and a truck bed isn't cheap. What I wouldn't mind doing is, I feel like I'm zoomed in, but what I wouldn't mind doing is finding a truck bed that somebody sells cheap, but just, you know, it's just starting to rust a little bit or whatever, and then I can fix that and make videos on how to do that. And I think this is single stage paint. I asked a friend of mine, and he thought it was probably from the factory base and clear, but I'm pretty sure this is single stage. I took a rag and I wiped over here. Well, it doesn't look like it now, but it polished it up pretty good, but the rag had brown on it. That actually feels like base clear, but it had brown on it, so I don't know, you gotta check into that. But sand it down, you can probably paint it with either. Single stage is a lot cheaper. I don't know, from what I've seen, a little bit harder to spray, but might give it a shot. I just feel like I'm zoomed in way too far. Well, that's 0.6, so anyway guys, I'm just kind of messing around down here. The guy that came and got that crate left a little while ago, and just gotta get the door shut. And Leanna, she'll be home here pretty soon, and we're gonna have biscuits and gravy for supper tonight. Breakfast for supper, I guess. I think I'm getting allergies. Anyway, right, Jess? I know, it's hot, I'm sweating. So anyway guys, hope you're having a good day. We'll get going on this thing. I just gotta let it cool off a little bit. It's supposed to here, at least for a few days here this week, and see what we can figure out on this old girl. So give this video a big old thumbs up, comments go down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.